First of all, thanks for being part of this video. In this video, we are going to see score boosters of reasoning. The following topics we are covering in this video is inequalities, syllogisms, coding and decoding, and alphanumeric series. And this is one of the video from today's practice playlist. Okay, let's get started with question number 1. Starting with inequalities. Inequalities, first question. Here we see the flow from Q to Q to A with everywhere equals to. From Q we can able to reach to A with everywhere equal to. So first one is true. Second one, the flow from L to T. From L we can flow up to T, it is possible, so it is also true. Both 1 and 2 is true here. Next, second question, the flow from B to T with everywhere equals to. From B we can reach to P, or else we can reach to A, but cannot able to reach to T. So first conclusion will be false. Second conclusion, the flow from X to P. From X it is nothing but Y. From Y we can able to reach to P is possible. So second one is true. Let's see third question. Third question, first conclusion, the flow from A to B. From A we have flow to B and there is everywhere equal to also. So individually these two cases will be fails. And by combining these two we have a sequence which is A flows with B and A is equals to B also, and we have seen this in our statement. So the answer for this one is either 1 or 2 is the answer for third question. Okay, next fourth question, the flow from X to W. From X there is flow to W is possible, so first one will be true. Second one, the flow from Y to Z. From Y there is flow from Y to Z, it is also possible, both are true. Next, fifth question, the flow from B to A. From B we can able to flow up to E only but cannot able to flow to A, so first conclusion will be false. Second conclusion, the flow from D to C. From D there is a flow up to C is possible, so it is true. Now we are going to see syllogisms. Syllogisms, first question, only a few cumin is turmeric. Some turmeric is cardamom. Okay, all cardamom is clove. Let's see conclusions. Some turmeric is clove. Some part of turmeric is sharing with clove. Yes, it is true. So first one is true. Second one, all cumin can be cardamom. All cumin can be placed inside cardamom. It is possible. So second case is will be true. Next, second question, only a few MSTC is diamond. Only a few MSTC is diamond. Some diamond is emerald. Some emerald is opal. Okay, let's see conclusions. Some diamond is opal is a possibility. Yes, it is possible. So first one is true. Second one, all MHC can be diamonds. All MSC can be diamonds. No, it is not because of this part. So second one is false. Next, third question, only a few AB is BC. Some BC is DC. All AB is CB. Let's see conclusions. Some CB is BC. Some CB is sharing with BC is a possibility. It is already sharing and it is saying possibility. So first one is false. Second one, no DC is AB. So we check some DC can be AB or not. Some DC can share with AB. Yes, it is possible. Some case possible means no case fails. Next, fourth question. Here we have fourth question, which is only a few fan is ran. All ran is a tan. Some ran is a pan. Wait a second, some ran is a pan. This one. Now conclusion is no tan is pan, means we check some tan can be fan or not. Some tan is already sharing with the fan, so no case will be fails. So first one is false. Second one, some pan is a tan. Some part of pan is sharing with tan. Yes, it is true. Now we are going to see question number 5. Only a few shark is whale. No whale is a seal. No seal is a dolphin. Let's see conclusion. Some dolphin is whale. There is no direct relation between these two. So first one is false. Second one, no whale is a dolphin. Some part of whale can share with a dolphin. It is possible. So no case will be false. Here we see some and no, and we see same words. So it is case for either 1 or 2. So the answer for this one is either 1 or 2. Now we are going to see coding and decoding. Here first Venus. Venus is not common in any other statement. So Venus is individual one. Saturn and Neptune. Here we see Saturn and Neptune, and here also Neptune. So 3 common words of Neptune. So common of Neptune is AFL is common in all the 3. So AFL is nothing but Neptune. So Saturn is common in these 2. So the next common word is HSR. HSR is nothing but Saturn. So the only one word left, which is QRM, is nothing but Venus. Next, Uranus. There is no other Uranus, so it is individual one. Mercury, Earth is common in 2nd and 4. So Mercury and Earth codes are common for these two are CRZ and UVM. CRZ, UVM. These are the codes. Okay. Next one, Neptune. We already seen it. Jupiter. There is no other common in Jupiter, so it is only individual one. We don't know this one. Saturn and Neptune we already seen, and Mars. Mars is common in these two. So common word which is TCF. So TCF is nothing but Mars. So we have completed all the statements except Jupiter. Jupiter, which is WFR. So WFR is nothing but Jupiter. Next, Mercury we already seen. Earth also seen. Mars is also completed. So left with Pluto, which is the code for GRZ. So we have got the codes. Let's see the questions that are asked. First question, code for Pluto, which is option D. Second one, WFR. WFR is Jupiter. So answer is B. Third one, Earth Venus. Earth is this one. Venus is QRM. So we get possibilities. But according to the given options, our answer will be option C. Third one, option C is our answer. Next, fourth one, Mercury planet is called as UVM HRZ. UVM means Mercury. So Earth will be CRZ. So CRZ is Earth. The code of CRZ, which is Earth. The code for Earth is CRZ. Option A is the answer for this one. Next, fifth question, what is the code for Neptune? Neptune is AFL. So option A is the answer for fifth question. Next, we are going to see alphanumeric series. Here, how many numbers are there in the above arrangement, each of which is immediately preceded by a consonant and followed by a vowel? Says that a number immediately preceded by consonant and followed by a vowel. So let's find the numbers. 3. There is no number, there is no alphabet before. Next one is 5. There is no alphabet after 5. So there is no alphabet before 6. There is symbol. Number 4. No alphabets. Number. There is no 2 alphabets besides. Number. Where is number? Here is number. First one is consonant and second one is vowel. So we got one sequence. 1. Here 3. Before one no. 5. Before one is vowel no. So only one case. So option B is the first one answer. First one answer is option B. 1. Okay, next, second one, if all the symbols in the above arrangement is dropped, then which of the following will be 16th from the right hand? Symbols must be dropped. Then 16th one, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16, which is I. So answer will be I, option C. So answer will be option C, I. Next, how many such symbols are there in the given above arrangement, each of which is immediately preceded by number? So talking about symbol immediately preceded by number but not followed by consonant. It must not be consonant. Let's find number and alpha, number and symbol immediate one in the sequence. Number, there is no symbol. Number, next one is symbol. So here we have number and symbol. The next one must not be consonant. So here we have symbol. So it is a one sequence. Number and symbol. And the next one is it is not the consonant. So we have two possibilities. Number and the next one is symbol. And the next one is not the consonant. So 3. Number and symbol. Number is here, symbol is here. The next one not the consonant. So we got 4 possibilities. So answer will be 4. So option A is the answer for third question. Now we are going to see question number 4. 4 of the 5 are alike. Okay, find the odd one out. 8LQ. 8 is here, L is here, Q is in between them. Next, copyright 3F. Copyright 3F, it is also same like that. 5EH. 5EH, it is also like that. I at the rate beta. Where is I at the rate beta? It is also same sequence. So the last one must be the wrong one, which will be option E is the answer for fourth question. Now we are going to see question number 5. If all the symbols in the above arrangement are removed, then which element will be the 10th from the left hand? Symbols removed and 10th from the left. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 10 is J. So answer will be J. Option C is the answer for fifth question. By this we have completed today's daily score booster questions of reasoning. So thanks for watching. If you are new to my channel, please do like, share and subscribe and click on the bell icon to get instant notification about my videos. And don't forget to watch the today's daily practice playlist. Thanks for watching.